I have a vision. I'm going to do my eyes first because I want to make the line as sharp as possible. Using Beauty Bay and Nikki Tutorials palette. It is my new palette. I got it for Christmas from Ethan. I'm going to be using this shade and this shade, which is Mila and Zoma. Right, I'm done with that. So I want it to kind of gradient. Highlighter.
When I take pictures, I like to use a blank wall preferably, and I use my ring light. Rather than having my camera on timer, I just film. I just find it easier that way, and then I go through afterwards and I take screenshots of the poses or the frames where I think I look best. When I edit my photos, I use an app called PixArt. It is free on pretty much every app store, I'm pretty sure. You can pay for a subscription, however I think you can get basically all you need in the free package. The first thing I do usually is crop the picture just to get rid of anything in the background I don't want. And then I move on to editing the brightness and the contrast and saturation and things like that, just to make the picture crisper. I basically just make it look nicer, in my opinion. Like the colours are more vibrant, and I use a film filter because I think it makes it look cool. I like adding noise to pictures, although it makes the quality not as crisp, but I don't know, I like it. I then just repeat the same process for the rest of the pictures I screenshotted, and I save them all. I personally think that the afters look way better. The befores are just super washed out. I think with the editing that I've done, it really brings out the colours and makes it look way better in my opinion. Thank you for watching. I hope this video might have given you some ideas on how to keep yourself entertained during lockdown 3. I don't think I've mentioned yet on the channel, but I have a schedule now of when I upload things. I post videos on Fridays unless it's a special video like a Soup Saturdays, because that's day specific. And I also post blog posts on Wednesdays. I have lots of ideas coming up, and I currently have another project in the works interviewing university students, so keep an eye out for that. See you next time.